Just 24 hours after releasing the second negative import list and statements by top officials of Indian defence industry that India will not import any tank from December 2021, the Indian Army has released a request for information for its FRCV project, and the prospective vendors will have to respond by 15 September 2021. The Army aims to procure 1,770 future-ready combat vehicles in a phased manner, under the strategic partnership model, that will include performance-based logistics, transfer of technology, support package and other maintenance and training requirements, and they will start induction by 2030. According to Army's requirements, the medium-weight class tanks should be equipped with advanced multipurpose smart munitions for both main and secondary armaments with remote control weapon stations, cannon-launched anti-tank guided missiles, and should be equipped with multiple anti-aircraft system and counter-UAV systems. The FRCVs should incorporate artificial intelligence and see-through armor technology, and they should be able to operate in a network-centric and electronic warfare environment, and also incorporate systems to counter enemy intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance platforms. Industry officials have said that this new request for information will once again trigger the long-standing raging battle between the DRDO and Army over the indigenous next-generation main battle tank. Experts have said that the request for information appears to keep the DRDO out of the competition, and only a government-to-government strategic partnership deal with Russia for the T-14 Armator platform makes most sense for the realistic budget and projected timeline. Israel has announced that it has signed a $200 million contract with an unnamed customer in Asia to provide services related to its Heron unmanned aerial vehicles. We had recently reported that India is leasing 4 advanced Heron TP drones for a period of 3 years under a $200 million contract under the emergency procurement route, with an option to extend the lease by 2 more years. Officials have said that these drones can be armed if required, and India will receive the first 2 drones in August, while another 2 drones will be delivered in December 2021. Russian media has reported that the Indo-Russian joint military exercise INDRA 2021 will be conducted at the Brudboy practice range in the Volgograd region in southern Russia between 1st to 15th of August 2021, and the exercise will involve a total of 500 personnel from both the countries. China has integrated the air elements of its Air Force and Army to create a combined air defense system for the Western Theater Command that is responsible for operations along the line of actual control. The Chinese side has brought all its air defense assets into one grid, to plug the gaps that can be exploited by the Indian Air Force. There have been reports of additional Chinese radar stations being created, with an aim to blunt the strike potential of the Indian Air Force. The Indian Navy will get the GSAT-7R communications satellite in 2022 worth $225 million, that will have better transponders and will use the Ka-band frequency, which will enhance the communication capacity between its warships, aircraft and shore-based units. It will be the last of the 7 fourth-generation satellites by the ISRO, that have a coverage range of 3,700 kilometers over the Indian Ocean.